Now we are going to see while in the condolence, what is the sentences we have to say. Okay, while in the condolence. See, धैर्य धैर्य रखो. Okay, धैर्य रखो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. धैर्य रखो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. While we are in the condolence to your friend's house, relatives, okay, we have to say like that. धैर्य रखो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Be brave. Okay, be brave, all will be well. Be brave, all will be well. Then the second one. अच्छाई का फल अवश्य मिलेगा. अच्छाई का फल अवश्य मिलेगा. Okay, goodness will surely be rewarded. Goodness will surely be rewarded. While writing in the examination, we put some hard work in that. We are receiving the result, but the marks will come in a low. While we have to say to your children that अच्छाई का फल अवश्य मिलेगा. Goodness will surely be rewarded. Okay. Then कोई चिंता ना करो. कोई चिंता ना करो. Don't worry. Okay. While the children are crying, okay, in the marks, while they are taking the low marks, they will cry, Mummy, I got low marks in English, okay, or in maths. We have to say them in Hindi that koi चिंता ना करो. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. आशा ना जोड़ो. आशा ना जोड़ो. Don't give up hope. Okay, don't give up hope. आशा ना जोड़ो. While getting low marks in the quarterly examination, he can fulfill his hard work, but he got low marks. We have to say them that आशा ना जोड़ो. Don't give up. You will get meta marks in half yearly or in the annual. Okay, you can get better marks in half yearly or in the annual or any competition. You can win first prize. Okay, like that. Asha na jodo. Don't give up hope. Okay. Then the next one is Bahadur Bano. Bahadur Bano means be brave. Okay, while teaching in the classroom, okay, teaching in the classroom, the teachers always says that Bahadur Bano means be brave. Okay, don't lose your courage. Okay, work hard, be brave, don't lose your courageous. Okay, don't tell to your daddy or mummy, I am not happy, I can't study well. Okay, be brave. Okay, be strong. Okay, these are the words while in the consonants and teaching. While teaching, we have to use these words in the classroom. Okay, धैर्य रखो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Be brave, all will be well. Okay, अच्छाई का फल अवश्य मिलेगा. Goodness will surely be rewarded. कोई चिंता ना करो. Don't worry. आशा ना छोड़ो. Okay, don't give up hope. बहादुर बनो. Okay, be brave. Okay, is it clear? Can you understand?